Whether you are remodeling or adding on to your home or have an entire property on which to build, there are many things to keep in mind when hiring a general contractor. What is the company's history and reputation? Is their pricing transparent? Do they rely on reputable subcontractors or laborers and installers? Will they even be here tomorrow? Since 1970, Mainville Construction and Remodeling has enjoyed a superior reputation throughout Connecticut on residential, commercial, and managed properties alike. We do work with experienced, reputable subcontractors, as it is our experience that they often provide higher quality work due to their specialty in certain areas. Our owner will personally meet with you to customize your vision and make it a reality. You can be confident that we will always stand behind our work. From basement to roof, door to deck, Mainville Construction and Remodeling wants to be your home improvement company. Contact us today.